Flying W traffic, Skyhawk 739 Zulu Hotel. Taking off runway 19, departing to southeast. Flying W.
Perfect.
And somebody step on me.
Flying W traffic, got a helicopter. Shot about 2 miles to the northeast. 1,200 feet transitioning north, last call. Flying W.
There's no effect.
Midfield left down, G7.
Let's kick all these on. All the lights, yeah. The more lights you have on, the better.
Do one last look here.
So he's no factor.
See him.
I don't see anybody on final. I don't see anyone on the roll, so we're good.
Okay, roll in and go full power, right?
Yep.
Airspeed's alive. 6, and I'm going to rotate.
Pull back, push forward, right rudder. There we go. So as you're rotating there, the airplanes, all the left turn tendencies are really enhanced. So as you're rotating, you but just have to hold that right rudder because you're initially getting into the air.
Yeah, you get that P factor?
Yeah, you get all that P factor and asymmetric thrust, really.
Solberg traffic, Sierra 21 Echo Fox, left cross on runway 22 Solberg.
And he said you want me to climb to what?
Let's climb to 3,000.
All right.
Laker traffic, banner 1 on Yankee, full mile left east, before that drops liquid.
And once we reach 500 feet, we'll go ahead and turn crosswind. And it's just going to be Flying W traffic, Skyhawk 739 Zulu Hotel, turning crosswind. Flying W. Or you can say the runway number if you want.
Flying W traffic, Skyhawk 739 Zulu Hotel, turning crosswind, Flying W.
There we go.